Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're ready. Pick up the Siri remote and make sure Apple TV is on the same network you'll register. First, press Home and open Settings. This is where device identifiers live. You need either Wi-Fi or Ethernet active so the system exposes its hardware addresses. Once in Settings, navigate to General. Depending on TV OS, you may go to Network instead. This step puts you at the exact menu that lists the Wi-Fi and Ethernet MAC addresses, so you can copy them next. Once done, choose General then About. Apple TV lists both the Wi-Fi address and the Ethernet address there, which is why About is simplest. If your TV OS shows Network first, open Network, then select the active connection. The MAC appears as hardware or MAC. Make sure you read the label. Wi-Fi address is for wireless, Ethernet address for wired. You'll see a 12-hex format like 00, 1A, 2B, 3C, 4D, 5E. Write it exactly, because mismatching characters breaks router filters or device registrations. After you locate the correct MAC, type it into your router or network registration. Double-check colons and hex characters because errors cause rejection. If About shows empty or the wrong info, restart Apple TV and check for a TV OS update. That often restores proper reporting. Make sure the network cable is seated for Ethernet tests. If problems persist, log into your router and look for the TV's hostname or manufacturer MAC prefix in the connected devices list. That gives you the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.